English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Attention, employ, judge. Attention. Attention is a noun. B1 learners usually know attention. Attention refers to carefully listening to, watching or thinking about something. Here are some examples. Could I have your attention, please? Your attention to detail will be important. The class was boring, so the students' attention started to wander. Employ. Employ is a verb. B1 learners usually know employ. To employ is to give someone work and to pay them. Here are some examples. He employs many people in his company. How many people do you employ? They employ hundreds of extra workers, especially in the summer. Judge. Judge is a verb. B1 learners usually know judge. To judge is to have or develop an opinion about someone or something. Here are some examples. He judges every case as a new one. He judged her to be correct. You can't judge a book by its cover. Now write some of your own sentences with attention, employ and judge. Download the free B1 workbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.